Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Walgreens Photo Printing. Walgreens Photo Printing can be done in three easy ways, depending on what's most convenient for you. For in-store printing, visit a Walgreens Photo Center and head to the photo kiosk where you can upload images using your phone, a USB drive, or a memory card. Select your photos, choose the print size and finish, make any custom adjustments, complete the payment at the kiosk, and collect your prints either from the machine or the photo counter. If you prefer online ordering, go to the Walgreens photo website, sign in or create an account, select your desired products such as prints, photo books, or wall art, upload images from your device or link social accounts, customize the layout and options, apply any promo codes, and choose either same day pickup or delivery, with a notification sent once your order is ready. For mobile users, simply open the Walgreens app, tap the Photos section, select a product, import photos from your device, set the size and quantity, choose a pickup location, place your order, and pick it up in store after receiving the confirmation. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.